Hi all, my name is Lakshman Mane and today we are going to see the format function in a DAX in Power BI. So format function is basically used to do the formatting of our data. So I have already loaded the data from Excel workbook. If you want to load the any data, so you can click on like Excel workbook and then you can get the data from the particular path. So this is our data. You can see we have the data from 1st January 2022 to 22 December 2023. So if you want to do the formatting of this data, there are two ways. Either you can click here and there is a DAX function available. So I will just create the new DAX function. So I will click on new column. So like I will give the column name as format. So let give me some time. Sorry, I will just increase the zoom of our screen. So I will create the new column format. So here we need to give the value. Value means whatever the column that we want to do the formatting. So in our case, so our column name is date and table name is sheet 1. So I will just give the our column name, that is date, and which format we want. Like suppose we want format like, now we have the format ddmmy, but we want that week day name like whole text. So what we can do, so if you write down the dd, then after slash mm and yy, right? So it will give the same format. Like if you enter the 2 times d, it will give the number, but if you enter the 3 times d, it will give the week day name. Like if we have today, if we suppose today we have the Saturday, so it will give the sat. Like just we will go the practically. So you can see, if you enter the 2 times d, so it will give the number, and if you enter the 3 times d, so it will give the, also I will enter the 3 times yum, so it will give the text. Now you can see there is a sat. If you want the day name and month name as a whole name like SATURDAY, so we need to give the 4d, right? So I will just enter the 4d and 4m, and here also I will enter the 4y. So this is the syntax of format. And if you want some slash, or so we can enter that slash also, so it will give the slash in our column. So now we will get our, so I think slash is not allowed. So so this is the DAX format function index. So that's for the today's video. So we will see the next DAX function in tomorrow's video, in upcoming video. Thank you all.